severe thunderstorm warning for Anderson County, Cobb County, Granger County, Hamlin County, Jefferson County, Knox County, Union County until 8:30 p.m. At 7:48 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing ping-pong ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 5 miles northeast of Clinton and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Maynardville, Rutledge, Jefferson City, Dandridge, Morristown, Newmarket, White Pine, Russellville, Carrotsville, Halls, Norris Lake, Paulette, Maloneyville, Rose Hill, Mascot, Luttrell, Blaine, Strawberry Plains, Joplin, and Buffalo Springs. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.